Hello folks, it's been quite a long time since I've posted a video on YouTube. I did most of them back during the COVID days when, well, you couldn't do much else as far as going around and seeing people, and so I started to do some kind of different things that I've always, sort of wanted to do but had put off for a while. And since those times, I've moved down to the sunny state of Florida from up in New England and been quite busy since then. And last year I took up a kind of a hobby, I guess you would call it. I'm a mechanical kind of guy, and I saw a clock like this one in a kind of a little antique place. It was in pretty shabby shape, and I bought it for $50. I don't currently have that one. I've given it away to someone, but I've taken a bunch of these apart. This particular one, as you can see, is from 1933, Torsion Fabric. All of these 400-day anniversary clocks, I shouldn't say all of them, but a very high percentage of them were made in Germany, free West Germany. I have a bunch of them that I've redone, as you might see here. I got a few more over in the shop over there. I do work on clocks now and again. I do have a few in my shop here, but this one is kind of special. It's, for me, it's the first one that I've worked on that has a cylindrical pendulum. Most of the 400-day anniversary clocks that you might see would have a 4-ball pendulum. Some rarer ones have a 3-ball pendulum, but they're generally based on a 4-weight system, where this early one from 1909, I believe it is, let me just check with my book here, but this basically is a cylindrical pendulum with 2 weights that move in and out to change the frequency of its back and forth motion. So my serial number on this one, this is the back plate for it. It's a Gustav Becker, but my serial number is the next year. This shows not coming into focus, 1908. Mine's in 1909. My serial number is a little higher than this one. So as you can see, this base, I thought at first the base was made out of wood, but it's actually brass. It's just, so tarnished and old. And the only reason the center part is a different shade is because they normally have, a glass globe around them, so it keeps at least a good portion of the oxidation away from the inside workings of the clock. So, not to take this too much longer, I thought I'd do a process where I actually completely disassemble this clock. On this particular one, I'm gonna replace the mainspring too, because, some of the other ones that I've done, I've taken, opened up the mainspring, cleaned them, re-lubricated, and they seem to be just fine. But I don't want to take a chance on this one, so I'll be taking this mainspring apart and replacing it with a new mainspring, which most mainsprings are available for these things. It's the other little sundry items that some of these older clocks have that aren't available. For instance, there are 4 holes on the back of this clock that are supposed to hold a protective device for this thin little tiny suspension spring is it's called. This one's obviously broken, so I'll be making a new assembly for that. But it's going to be a summer project for me in Florida, because unlike in New England, where in the wintertime you're kind of forced to be inside because it's cold outside, and with the heat down here, it's hot outside, and sometimes very hot outside. And so you're forced to be inside with the air conditioning. And what a better way to while away the air conditioning hours than to take apart a over 100-year-old clock and make it look like new again, hopefully. So I hope you'll tune in again for some of the episodes of that. And I do appreciate you watching my videos. Thanks very much. See ya.